In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a Google Calendar with another person effectively and efficiently. We'll walk through each step, ensuring you understand how to manage your settings and permissions seamlessly. So, let's get started. First, we'll begin by opening Google Calendar. Make sure you're logged into your Google account so you have access to all the necessary features. Once you're on the main Google Calendar page, direct your attention to the left side of the screen. Here, you'll see a menu with various icons and options. Look for the icon that resembles a gear. This is your settings icon. Clicking on this icon will take you to the settings page where you can customize your calendar settings. In the settings menu, you'll need to find the specific calendar event you wish to share. If you have multiple events or calendars, ensure you select the precise one you want to work with. This will open up more detailed options for that particular calendar. Next, scroll down to find the section titled Share with Specific People. Click on the Add People button to launch a new field where you can input an email address. Go ahead and enter your email address in this field. This will allow you to manage the sharing capabilities of your calendar. Once you've entered your email, you'll see a section labeled Permissions. In this drop-down menu, you'll want to select Make Changes and Manage Sharing. This permission setting allows you to fully manage the calendar, ensuring you can make necessary adjustments as needed. After you've saved these changes, you will receive an email from Google Calendar. This email will arrive in the inbox of the email address you entered earlier, so head over to your email account now. Open the email from Google Calendar, and inside you'll find an invitation to add the shared calendar to your account. Click on the Add This Calendar link included in the email. A new tab will open confirming your action. Simply press Add to integrate this calendar with your own list. With these steps complete, you've successfully shared a Google Calendar. Now, whenever you log back into Google Calendar, you will see the shared calendar alongside your existing ones. You can view all the shared events and activities, making it easier to manage your schedule collaboratively. And that's how you share a Google Calendar. By following these straightforward steps, you can ensure efficient coordination and planning with colleagues, friends, or family. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful. Feel free to explore more Google Calendar features and become a Calendar Pro.